Hi, this is Liz from Groover Moms, and I just wanted to share with you today that I just got in the mail my Stitch Fix for summer. And the great thing about Stitch Fix is they send you a bag, and if you don't like anything, you just return it, no postage. So let's see what we have today. Okay, so this is for summer. The first item is a pretty top from Michael Kors. Pretty blue. Let's see, the Michael Kors is oh boy, I don't know, white, I guess. Oh, it's $48. Okay. It's another top. Yes, another top. This is like an Indian motif, and it has the tie on the bottom. This is, let's see, actually I like this a lot. West Key, and the West Key is $44. A different design in the back. Oh, and we have, I think it's jewelry. Let's see what this is. I think it's a bracelet. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's magnet. I thought I broke it. Oh, very pretty. Nice summery colors. Very nice.
Your face.
For a minute there, I thought I broke it. Okay, and that is $44. Teal green. Very pretty colors. Now we have the dress, which I'm loving this dress. I love this color. Leota. And Leota Finley faux wrap knit dress, $88. I love that color. And then we have slacks. These I like. They're stretch. And these are by Tribal. And the Tribal snap bottom capri, light gray, is $58. These I really like. Let me see. I like them a lot. They're very comfortable. Nice fit. I think I like it. I'm happy with this. So anyway, the total is $282. But if you take all the 5 pieces, you get a 25% discount, which is $70.50, and it ends up coming to $211. So I'm gonna try everything on, and I'll let you know what I think.